Realtors, we see you. You're closing deals, planting signs, and juggling keys like a total pro, a superhero.
And even superheroes need a safety plan, and that's why NOMAR's affiliates and YPN committees have teamed up for you.
Join us at our South Shore office September 18th from 1 to 4 p.m. for our Realtor Safety event, an afternoon packed with the tools and training every realtor should have.
So you'll get real-world safety stories and FOREWARN training. You're gonna get expert tips from the Jefferson Parish Sheriff's Office. You're gonna get crash course in CPR with the American Heart Association and a physically active self-defense class that's tailored specifically for realtors like you.
Plus, we've got refreshments, safety vendors, and a raffle giveaway you'll want in on. Trust us, it's a good one.
So wear something comfy, bring your energy, and let's make safety your strongest asset yet.
Because your career is important, but your life is priceless.
So register at nomar.org/events, and we'll see you on September 18th from 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Let's get Realtor ready the safe way.